Much love and respect to you who have taken the time to visit Shaw's place. Today I'll be showing you some of the things that are involved when putting two pieces of equipment into a server rack. The Power over E injector and a Nexxt switch. We will be looking to install these into the rack today. First, we're going to start off by removing the sides, and then we're going to be removing the NAS for free box, followed by the open media vault, which is hosting our Plex server. We have two empty cases below. We will also be moving those. We will be removing the truck to get to the two devices that we will be mounting in the rack. With the help of some tools and some cage nuts, we will be looking now to mount the Power over E injector and also the Nexxt switch. We'll also be installing a cable manager. We are going to be removing the things that are on the service shelf to be able to get to some cables. We will also be removing the side panel to get to some cables. And also removing the shelf that's there to relocate it to the now designated height. I have always had a 4U chassis sitting to the bottom of the rack, and the reason for that is to have the empty cases be on top, that the rack did not look very empty. Now I have to create a false bottom in order to put the two empty cases on. So I'll be looking forward to getting two rack mounted shelves. Here you have the cables for the KVM switch and also the Ethernet cables. We will also be looking to do some cable management with these. So here we have the two servers now mounted and that false bottom fixed in place. Two empty cases back to where they once were. Not so much. Now to tidy up the power wires to the back. We will now also be putting on back the sides and putting back the things onto the service shelf.